you go.
So we did the Battle of Arras. It's a battle, World War I. The key information, the Battle of Arras was a British offence during the First World War. It took place between the 9th of April and the 16th of May in 1917. In total it lasted 37 days, and the British aim was to distract the German troops away from the area of a planned attack, which was estimated 80 kilometres to the south. The battle took place near the city of Arras, between a metropolitan area in northern France in Pas-de-Calais, which is the region, and in the Département 63. The Battle of Arras was split into many different smaller offensives along the 24-mile stretch of land, such as the Battle of Vimy Ridge, which we'll come on to later, and the Battle of Scarpe 1, 2, and 3.
The competing nations were the United Kingdom, Canada, and the Anzacs against the Central Powers for Prussia and the German Empire. The Allies were led by Douglas Haig, Edmund Allenby, Arthur Currie, Herbert Gough, and Henry Horn. Leaders of the Central Powers were Ludwig von Wolkenhausen, Erich Ludendorff, and Georg von Marwitz.
Soldiers. By 1917, horses were no longer such a reliable force, they didn't really use them that much, and therefore ordinary soldiers were going over the top of the officers. Many died, in total 158,000 from the Allied forces, and 120 to 130,000 for the German soldiers. On the first couple of days, the battle was very effective, and the British made major gains, although after that it was largely a standstill. Although by the stand to the Western Front this was amazing, because they gained strategic places such as Vimy Ridge, which was integral if they wanted to advance.
Weapons and technology. Many pieces of technology were developed during the war, and many of these were used at Arras. Some of these were tanks, machine guns, flamethrowers, poison gas, tracer bullets, interrupter gears, which allows bullets to fire through gaps in the spinning propeller, sanitary napkins, aircraft carriers, depth chargers, air traffic control, mobile X-ray machines, and pilotless drones.
The strategy and the tactics. There were many new tactics used in Arras for this battle, and especially for the assault that they've gained during the First World War. Some of the new technology was the following: air observations, which spotted placement of enemy guns, troops, and trenches. They'd go over in the sky, see where they are, that sort of thing. The moving barrage, which was a bombardment that followed and moved up the battlefield. This was then developed into three different types: creeping barrages, block barrages, and rolling barrages. Creeping barrages is where the fire moved from one line to the next. A block barrage is where a block of shell fire would move forward as a block, and a rolling barrage is where there would be multiple lines of bombardment, and the closest one to the soldiers would go to the front. The legacy of Arras. This is the Canadian National Vimy Ridge Memorial. It's huge. The Battle of Arras is known to many, is not known to many. It's not that well known, but was one of the major battles for the Canadian forces, which led to this being built. It was designed by the Canadian Walter Seymour Allwood from Toronto in Canada. Thanks for watching.
Round of applause, guys.